So here, welcome to this episode of MBA with Arshika, and this is me, Arshi, and in this video, I'm going to talk about TANCET Counselling, which is for Tamil Nadu state. The counseling is about to start, and that is the reason I am here with the video. So let's get started with this episode where I'll be telling you each and everything which is required you to know if you are going to apply for this counseling. First of all, important dates when it comes to the TANCET counseling. The online registration will start from 11th of July. It's already started from 11th of July. Today is 22nd of July. So it's already started. Now the last date of TANCET counselling is 5th of August. मतलब आप ये last date है registration करने की. Then commencement of uploading original certificates, that is till 11th of July, right? It's already completed. It's already passed away. Last date of uploading original certificate is 5th of August. Publication of TANCET rank list will be on 25th of August, means after 3 days. Then TANCET rank list for differently abled candidates, means PWD candidates, 29th of August. Then payment and choice filling for TANCET MCA course specifically, that is from 1st September to September, but that's not productive for us. Then if we talk about, there is the few notification related to MCA, but if we talk about MBA, payment and choice filling for TANCET MBA course is from 6th September to 8th September, and publication of tentative allotment for MBA course will come on 9th of September. But still you have 2 months to get the process done when it comes to colleges in Tamil Nadu through TANCET counselling. Confirmation of TANCET allotment for MBA course 10th of September. Publication of provisional allotment letter for MBA course 11th September. Supplementary counselling, again this is not for you. Supplementary counselling round for MBA courses 14th of September. And SCA to SC counselling, MBA, MCA 15th September, and end of counselling will be 15th of September. Now coming to the process of counselling, obviously online registration, certification upload, then publication of rank list, then choice filling, general MBA counselling, then counselling fee payment, choice filling, allotment, confirmation of tentative allotment, provisional allotment, supplementary counselling, and then SCA to SC conversion counselling, right? So since the counselling process for MBA admission in Tamil Nadu is being conducted online, candidates need to upload the scanned copies of their original documents after completing the counselling registration, and it is must. So that's all about this video. I hope you like it. Do share it with your friends. This important piece of information, and for more such video like this.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel.
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.